absolutely fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. And today is as usual. Uh, of course, today is holiday because in West Bengal it is celebrated as Lakshmi Puja.
Okay, and here we have like two festivals, Guru Purnima and Valmiki Jayanti. So,
Oh,
I was also occupied in those festivities only. I thought I'll get done with it by 9 p.m., but then it was taking more time. So that is
yeah,
why
yeah.
I asked you to conduct it.
No problem, no problem. It's okay. It's all right.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me, did you have your dinner or you'll have it after the session?
No, no. This session. After this session, I will have my dinner.
Okay, so you usually have it at around 10, around 10.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, after 10, I usually have my dinner after 10.
Okay, then at what time you go to sleep?
At 11:30 or 12,
Okay,
because after
okay.
dinner,
Then,
I read some books. I
okay,
prepared some notes for my students. Um, I
okay.
check their homeworks.
All right, all right. So, like nowadays, which book you are reading?
What, ma'am?
Nowadays, which book are you reading?
Oh, actually, not any other books except the syllabus of my students.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
nowadays I can't find time. Uh,
Yeah.
I always remain busy in making notes and um, in reading the textual books.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. So, I went through your YouTube channel once, because I'm also pursuing English honors, so I thought I could get something of my related to my studies. But your all videos were in Bengali only, so I couldn't understand
Yeah,
anything.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, through Bengali medium, I tried to make them understand English grammar. Basically, my all the YouTube videos on English grammar, and I tried to make them understand through Bengali, because here in
Okay,
West
okay.
Bengal, the maximum students feel comfortable learning English through Bengali.
Yeah,
That's why.
all right.
But nowadays, I'm thinking of making my videos absolutely in English. Hmm.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. I was
to
going to
gain
suggest you that.
subscribers from outside of West Bengal.
Yeah, exactly. Because when a searcher basically searches a topic, so he might get, he might see your videos also in the search bar. So, it is not necessary that he'll be from West Bengal only. He can be from UP. He can be from North India. He can be from like
Yeah,
any
exactly.
part of the country, right? So
Exactly.
this way you'll gain more and more subscribers. English is a
Sure.
global language, so that will it will help you.
Exactly. Exactly. I agree with you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you teach literature as well, right? Both literature and grammar
Yeah,
to your
literature and
students.
language, both, and grammar.
Okay. And out of these both, what do you like more? Teaching literature or teaching grammar?
English grammar. It's my comfort zone. I feel comfortable while
Okay.
teaching English grammar.
Okay, okay, all right, all right. Have you read that book, Macbeth? The
Yeah,
play,
yeah,
basically.
yeah, yeah. Macbeth and Merchant of Venice is my favorite drama of William Shakespeare.
Shakespeare, yeah. You told me earlier,
Tempest. This is also good.
sorry, I couldn't hear
Tempest.
you.
Tempest. The Tempest.
Tempest, yeah, Tempest, yeah. Tempest is also a good play. Yeah. Okay, so did you go through today's topic? Shall we talk about that, or do you want to talk about something else?
Oh, no problem. We can talk about this topic. I think the
Okay,
topic is on public speaking.
exactly, exactly. So tell me, like, as soon as you hear this word public speaking, what comes to your mind first?
It's the most fearful thing to me, uh, because I don't have the courage to speak publicly. I never spoke.
Your screen has freeze. I can't hear.
Can you hear me properly, ma'am?
No, your voice is breaking in between.
Oh, why? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you properly, but can you not hear me properly,
Yeah,
na?
now your voice is audible perfectly.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Actually,
Yeah.
what I was saying, I forgot. Uh,
Public speaking, you were telling about
yeah,
public speaking, what comes to you instantly, what comes to
it's
your
the
mind
most
instantly.
powerful thing to me because I never spoke publicly. Hmm.
Okay.
Actually, it makes me nervous. Because there is a reason behind it, of course. During my childhood, I was a stammerer. Hmm.
Okay.
Uh, I was a stammerer, so I couldn't speak freely. And even in the classroom, uh, uh, in spite of knowing the answer, I couldn't raise my hand. Uh, just, just because the students, my fellow students, uh, my classmates will make fun of me because I was a stammerer at the time. But after a long
Right,
time,
right.
my father consulted a speech therapist, uh,
Yes.
and I gained a little confidence, and now I am free from it. Mm, I am no longer a stammerer.
Damn it.
Only when I get excited, I little bit I start to stammering. Hmm.
That
But
happens with everyone. That is not an issue. You know, when we are excited, we have lots of words to say that we
yeah,
just jumble them.
yeah.
Yeah.
But during my childhood in my school, I never joined. I never joined. I never participated in any cultural program because stage fright. I am the sufferer of stage fright. Uh,
Okay, okay. And
Before microphone.
still you are nervous regarding public speaking.
Still now. Uh,
Oh my God. So why don't you do something like now earlier you had this problem of stammering, that's why you were nervous about you had this fear of stage, but now you have overcome that situation, so why are you still so nervous about this? What is the reason now?
Actually, that fear, I think, uh, has remained in myself, in my mind, that okay,
Yeah.
I couldn't cope with that situation. If I forget in the middle of my speech, hmm, how will I manage? These things actually occurs. This thing occur in my mind. Hmm. That's
Okay,
why I
okay, okay.
couldn't find courage.
All right, okay. But since you have, like, I have observed you over the sessions, over different sessions, you have gained confidence in talking to strangers, right? So I would suggest you try public speaking also, because it is always good to break the barriers, right?
Yeah.
And emerge as a winner. And I strongly believe in you. I believe in you that you will able to overcome it, just like you overcome this communication barrier which you
Thank
had
you.
earlier. Now you are
Thank
a
you.
brilliant speaker, brilliant communicator. Like, I really enjoy having sessions with you, and
And
moreover
the
when you
credit
talk about,
and the
yeah,
credit goes to English ERE tutors. They are so
thank you.
awesome. Actually, they are very much helpful for me. I realize nowadays. Actually, I have completed um, mm, 52, 57 or 58 sessions almost.
Oh my
I have
God, that's a
completed.
great number.
So after these sessions, and if I see my previous videos that you posted, our recordings, the recording of our sessions, uh, and I realize in my mind that I am recovering my
Exactly.
confidence. Uh,
Yeah, you
and
can actually feel the difference yourself in your first session and in your latest session. You will observe the difference. Like you are smiling, you are confident, you are able to express in a very good way. These are the things which we require to be a good speaker. So you definitely have gained those skills over time.
thank you,
And
thank you. Thank you.
and I was telling one more thing, when we are like I am having sessions with you and you talk about your real life experiences, I enjoy a lot. I start to imagine in my mind about all those things.
Yeah, I like to share everything that I have with anyone because some people are there who actually keep their secrets uh, in their minds, but I don't think so. I think my life should be open to all. I can share everything to anyone. Uh, mm, I like to
Exactly,
share my experiences. It it makes me happy. Mm.
exactly. And when we share our experiences with someone else, those experiences can be lessons for other persons. They can learn from those experiences how to react, how to behave in those situations, how to tackle those situations if there were some hard situations. So it can be like enjoyable, and it can teach the person at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Whenever we share each other's experience, actually, it's a chance. We get a chance to learn something, na? To learn something.
Exactly. Exactly. Now coming back to public speaking, tell me, has this ever happened with you? When you actually tried going on stage and tried public speaking, but back out of it. You backed out of it because of the nervousness, because of the shyness, because of the fear.
No, actually, I never tried in my life standing on the stage to deliver my speech. I never tried it, but as I know mm, how to play tabla, a Bengali
Yeah,
instrument,
yeah.
musical instrument. I know how to play tabla. Sometimes it happened to me. I played tabla uh, on the stage.
Yeah.
But that's a different thing. But if you come to public speaking, I never tried it before. Very frankly
Okay,
speaking.
okay. Okay, all right. So, like, never your parents or your teachers, like, forced you or encouraged you maybe to go and try this out once at least.
No, 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 no.
No, okay. All right. But I am assuming that, since
Actually,
you are now,
I was so
yeah,
introvert. Uh, Still now I am introvert, but at that time I was so meek and introvert. I never used to come in front of anyone. I
okay,
always sit on the back bench. Uh,
okay, all right. So you were that kind of shy person, who used to just sit at the back and observe
yeah.
everything silently.
And I can remind it, I can recall it as I was a student of boys' school.
Okay,
I
okay.
I had no courage uh, even to stand in front of a woman, women or
Oh,
girl. I used to feel very much shy. Mm. But when I
okay.
was in my college. From that time, it became easier for me.
Okay. So you gradually, you have broken all the reasons of your nervousness or shyness. Now only just one public speaking is left.
Yeah,
You should
it's my
definitely
dream
try
also.
that.
I want to speak very fluently publicly. Mm, it's my dream also.
Okay. Okay. So, like this ever happened that when you were going for your for taking your first class, as a tuition teacher, and when you had a group of students, sitting in front of you, that time also, because that is related to public speaking only in some way, right? You have to
Yeah,
dictate the whole
yeah,
chapter and explain.
exactly, exactly. Actually, I started my tuition classes in 2000, in the year of 2000, when I first started my tuition for having my pocket money. Mm.
Okay,
Uh, mm, but I can recall it. I was so nervous in my first class in front of my
exactly.
students.
I wanted to
But
ask that only.
now I don't feel any nervousness. I don't feel nervous in front of my students, even in front of my guardians also. I can speak
So,
with them.
okay, just share that experience, taking first class with your students. Share that experience, like I know you were nervous that time, right? So how did you behave that day? What was your experience that day? I hope you remember that, because it was your first day as a tutor, right? So what was your experience? Just share that.
Yeah, actually, I was really nervous. Like, one of my relatives, he arranged 4 students for me. Mm, he contacted and he
Okay.
told me that will you be able to teach 4 students, uh, mm, and they were in class 7, I think. Yeah, class 7.
Okay.
And okay, I will teach them. But when I went to their house, actually, uh, all the 4 students, they gathered in a house, one of their friends' house. And when I went to their house for the first time, I was really nervous and I was sweating. I can recall it. Mm, I know, though I know the subject, but actually, this is the first time, na. So, so I was thinking, from where should I start and how to make them understand, whether I will be able to make them understand or not. But after half an hour, I became comfortable. I became comfortable, and after the first class, when I went to their house second day, uh, I was as usual. No problem was there.
Okay. 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 So you overcome that fear in no time.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Great, great, great. I really appreciate, how how you tried and still you are trying to, just overcome those fears of yours and be confident and emerge as a winner. I really appreciate those facts.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
Now
you.
tell me, yeah. Now tell me one thing, since even you are nervous about public speaking, and still nowadays, these activities are being encouraged more and more, like co-curricular activities in the school. So public speaking is also one of the main curricular activities.
Yeah, I
So
admit it.
do you think it should be promoted at the school level itself, so that no student is left with that feeling of nervousness and shyness to come
Exactly,
to.
exactly, exactly. I feel it from the core of my heart. That from the very beginning, from the very school life, teachers should initiate, and should take initiative to to make the students accustomed with that particular skill, uh, because communication skill is one of the greatest skill, I think. It should
Exactly,
be adopted. Hmm. It should be
exactly,
adopted, and children should learn. Children should learn from their very school level, from very high school level or junior level, uh, to speak something. They should recite. They should deliver some speeches, on any particular topic, or they should.
exactly.
Yes, they should be encouraged. I agree with you.
Exactly. You know why I said this? Because I feel if a student is, accustomed to anything in the school, then he'll be very comfortable with that throughout his entire life. Because in schooling we spend the longest period of our time. You know,
Yeah,
so if we are given those things at those time only, so it will be very benefited for the society as well as for the students, right?
exactly. Exactly. I agree with you. Because speaking is the only thing, uh, is the only medium through which we can express our ideas, our thoughts.
Exactly. Exactly. And it should be, furnished in such a way that no student is left, with these fears. At least in the coming times, because in the coming times everything is so advanced. If you are not expressive, nobody is going to pay attention to you, right? Do you
Yeah,
believe in
yeah,
this?
yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
And I I saw it in my life. Some speakers in my schools also. When I was in that school, some speakers visited our school and they gave such a brilliant speech. You can't move your eyes aside.
Like,
Uh, you will be
exactly.
still bound.
We have lots of wonderful speakers.
Yeah. So at that time, I felt that, yeah, if I could be such a speaker.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. So now we have reached to the end of our session, and it was wonderful talking to you. I really enjoyed throughout the session. I hope you
Thank you.
enjoyed too, and you learned too.
Yeah, very much. I am really overjoyed having a session with
Exactly.
you.
Same here. And keep learning and keep this pace of confidence. I really wish you
Thank you.
all the best for upcoming confidence which you are going to have.
Thank you. Really
Oh,
encouraged. You are
yeah.
really
Oh,
motivating me.
thank you. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. See you. Good night.
Good night.